That glass jar you finished this morning might seem like just another piece of everyday life, but its story is far from over. Every time you set down an empty glass jar, you're holding a material with a lifespan that stretches far beyond our own. If tossed in the trash, that same jar could still be intact in a landfill a million years from now. Glass doesn't break down like food scraps or paper, it lingers, virtually unchanged for millennia, quietly piling up in landfills and natural spaces. Glass is made from sand, one of the most abundant resources on Earth. This gives it incredible stability and makes it nearly indestructible. But that same strength is what makes glass such a challenge for our environment when it's not recycled. With nearly 20% of global waste being glass, our landfills are filling up with material that will outlast us all. Imagine mountains of glass, growing year after year, taking up precious space and never going away. That's why recycling glass isn't just a good idea, it's absolutely essential for the health of our planet. Every bottle or jar you recycle is a step toward a cleaner, more sustainable future. The magic of glass lies in its ability to be recycled endlessly. Unlike plastic, which degrades each time it's reused, glass can be melted down and reformed over and over, with no loss in quality or purity. Melt it down, make a new bottle, and repeat, forever. This means the glass you recycle today could become a new bottle on a store shelf in just a few weeks, starting the cycle all over again. In fact, the glass in your hand could contain atoms from ancient artifacts, centuries or even thousands of years old. Every recycled bottle connects us to the past and helps shape a more responsible future. This closed-loop system is the gold standard for sustainability. It keeps resources in use, reduces waste, and minimizes our impact on the environment. Recycling glass conserves natural resources like sand, limestone, and soda ash, and saves huge amounts of energy compared to making new glass from scratch. Creating new glass means mining and scarring landscapes, disrupting ecosystems, and consuming more energy. But recycling glass dramatically reduces the need for raw materials and the environmental damage that comes with extraction. The more glass we recycle, the less we take from the earth. It's a simple action with a powerful ripple effect, helping to preserve natural beauty and resources for generations to come. Using recycled glass or cullet in the manufacturing process lowers the melting point of the raw materials, which means factories use less energy and produce fewer emissions. In fact, recycling just one glass bottle saves enough energy to power a 100-watt light bulb for 4 hours. Multiply that by millions of bottles, and the energy savings are staggering. Small actions, multiplied by millions of people, create massive positive change for our world. By recycling glass, you're not just keeping waste out of landfills, you're conserving resources, saving energy, and helping to build a more sustainable future for everyone. Have you ever wondered what happens to your empty glass bottle after you toss it into the recycling bin or return it to a collection point? The journey back to the factory is a fascinating process that spans continents and involves a variety of innovative systems designed to maximize efficiency and sustainability. In many European countries, reverse vending machines have revolutionized the way people recycle. These machines are found in supermarkets, train stations, and even on busy city streets, making recycling both accessible and rewarding for everyone. All you have to do is insert your empty bottle, and the machine scans it, sorts it by type, and stores it securely. As a bonus, you receive a small refund or voucher, encouraging more people to participate in the recycling process. Once these machines are full, specialized trucks arrive to collect the bottles. Each truck can carry up to 30,000 bottles in a single trip, making the collection process highly efficient and reducing the number of journeys needed. At the recycling plant, the bottles are unloaded into massive storage bays. Because many bottles are already sorted by color, thanks to the reverse vending machines, the recycling process can move forward more quickly and with less manual labor. This early separation is crucial. It saves both time and energy, allowing the plant to focus on cleaning and processing the glass, rather than sorting it from scratch. In places like the UK and North America, curbside collection is the norm. Households are provided with special bins for glass, which are collected regularly by recycling trucks. This system makes it easy for families to recycle without leaving home. However, because bottles are often mixed together and sometimes contaminated with other materials, recycling plants must invest in advanced sorting technology and extra labor to separate the glass by color and remove impurities. Both reverse vending and curbside collection have their unique strengths and challenges. Reverse vending encourages cleaner, pre-sorted glass, while curbside collection offers convenience and broad participation. Ultimately, the goal is the same: to deliver clean, sorted glass to the recycling plant, where it can be transformed into new bottles and products, reducing the need for raw materials and saving energy. No matter the system, efficient collection is the essential first step in giving your glass bottle a new life and supporting a more sustainable future for our planet. At the plant, heavy machinery scoops glass into a feed hopper, starting its journey on conveyor belts. The first step, a vibrating screen shakes out dust and tiny debris. Next, skilled workers manually remove large contaminants, plastic, paper, and other rubbish. A powerful magnet pulls out metal caps and lids. After this, the glass is about 80% clean, but not ready for melting yet. Removing bulky contaminants early makes the next steps more efficient. This triage is critical. Ceramics, or heat-resistant glass, can ruin entire batches. Every piece of non-glass removed here means higher quality recycled glass later. The combination of screens, human sorters, and magnets ensures only glass moves forward. It's a systematic process of purification. Only the cleanest glass continues to the next stage. Clean, sorted glass bottles arrive at the recycling facility, ready for their next chapter. They're loaded onto conveyor belts and fed into a powerful hammer mill, a machine equipped with rapidly spinning hammers. As the bottles enter, the hammers smash them with incredible force, shattering the glass into small, uniform pieces known as cullet. This process is loud, energetic, and mesmerizing to watch, as mountains of bottles are transformed in seconds into glittering fragments. This crushing transformation is absolutely crucial. Cullet is much easier to purify than whole bottles, and it melts at a lower temperature, making it the ideal raw material for new glass products. The uniform size of cullet ensures it can be efficiently processed in the next stages, reducing waste and improving quality. Sometimes the glass is passed through additional crushers to achieve even finer sizing, ensuring every fragment is just right for melting. This attention to detail helps manufacturers create flawless new glass. The resulting cullet sparkles in shades of green, brown, and clear, almost like colorful sand. It's now perfectly prepared for its next life, ready to be reborn as new bottles, jars, or even fiberglass. Using cullet in glassmaking isn't just efficient, it's a game changer for energy savings. In fact, incorporating cullet can reduce the energy needed to make new glass by up to 40%. That means lower fuel costs and a smaller carbon footprint for every batch produced. For every 10% increase in cullet used, energy consumption drops by about 3%, and carbon dioxide emissions fall as well. This simple change has a huge impact on the environment, making glass recycling one of the most sustainable manufacturing processes. Each ton of cullet used saves more than a ton of raw materials, like sand, soda ash, and limestone, from being mined and transported. This not only conserves natural resources but also reduces the environmental damage caused by mining. Today's modern glass factories often use between 20 and 70% cullet in their production lines, and some specialized plants can use up to 95% recycled glass. This shift is transforming the industry and setting new standards for sustainability. By crushing bottles into cullet, we directly contribute to cleaner air, less mining, and a healthier planet. The benefits ripple outward, affecting communities and ecosystems far beyond the factory walls. This process is a powerful example of sustainable industrial science in action, where innovation, efficiency, and environmental responsibility come together. The journey from bottle to cullet is where the true benefits of recycling begin, setting the stage for a cleaner, greener future with every crushed bottle. Before melting, cullet needs one last high-tech cleaning. A blast of air removes lightweight paper and plastic fragments. Then, optical sorters scan the falling cullet with lasers and cameras, detecting color and non-glass materials. Air jets instantly remove wrong-colored or contaminated pieces. This creates pure streams of green, brown, and clear glass. Color separation is vital. Clear bottles need pure clear cullet, and brewers need specific shades. The sorted cullet is stockpiled, ready for the furnace. Precision sorting ensures recycled glass meets manufacturers' exact needs. In the factory, color-sorted cullet is mixed with sand, soda ash, and limestone, then fed into a furnace at 1,250 degrees Celsius. The mixture melts into a glowing honey-like liquid over 24 hours. Trapped gases escape, ensuring purity. A precise amount of molten glass, called a gob, is dropped into a mold. Compressed air shapes it into a hollow parison, then a final mold gives it its bottle form. The process is synchronized for perfect consistency. The new bottle emerges, still red-hot and fragile. Robotic arms transfer it to a conveyor for careful cooling. The bottle now has its final shape but must be cooled slowly to prevent shattering. The transformation from cullet to bottle is complete. The hot bottles enter an annealing layer, cooling gradually to relieve stress and prevent cracks. Once cooled, bottles face rigorous automated inspections. High-speed cameras and sensors check for cracks, bubbles, and deformities. The bottle's mouth is inspected for chips or flaws to ensure a perfect seal. Any defective bottles are rejected and sent back to be crushed into cullet. This closed loop ensures no material is wasted. Only flawless bottles move on to packaging. Quality control guarantees recycled bottles are as strong as new. Perfect bottles are packaged by robots and shipped to beverage companies. At a bottling plant, bottles are washed and sterilized before filling. Automated nozzles fill each bottle with drink and carbonation, then seal with a cap. Sensors check cap tightness and fill levels. Cameras inspect labels and quality. Filled bottles are packed into cartons and stacked on pallets for shipment. The cycle comes full circle. A consumer enjoys the drink, recycles the bottle, and the process begins again. Each recycled bottle is a step towards sustainability. The journey from waste to new product is seamless and efficient. Recycling glass keeps resources in use and out of landfills. It's a continuous, sustainable loop powered by your choice to recycle. The journey of a glass bottle, from bin to furnace to shelf, shows the power of recycling. Recycling glass transforms waste into valuable resources and supports a circular economy. Advanced technology and efficient systems make the process effective and sustainable. Every recycled bottle saves energy, conserves resources, and reduces emissions. Glass can be recycled endlessly without losing quality. This closed-loop system is a powerful tool against waste and climate change. It all starts with your choice to recycle. Each bottle you recycle sets this process in motion. Small actions, multiplied, have a huge impact on our planet's future. Make the clear choice, recycle, and help build a cleaner, more sustainable world.